Now next important question, we have to prove cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to negative of 1, negative of 4, cos a, cos b, cos c. And the condition is if a plus b plus c is pi. Now, left hand side. Cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Now this becomes twice of cos 2a plus 2b upon 2 cos 2a minus 2b upon 2 plus cos 2c. We used cos a plus b form, sorry, sin cos c plus cos d. Cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. Now this becomes cos a plus b cos a minus b plus cos 2c. Now to a plus b again using the condition, now this becomes twice of cos pi minus c cos a minus b plus cos 2. A plus b plus c is equal to pi. A plus b is equal to pi minus c. Negative of 2 cos c cos a minus b plus 2 cos square c minus 1. Cos pi minus theta is equal to negative of cos theta. And also we have used another thing, that is cos 2c. Cos 2c is equal to 2 cos square c minus 1. Now again I am just requesting you, wherever we are changing the formulas we should write it. I am always writing it, okay? Why? As I told you once again that this makes us to learn, okay? Now this becomes negative of, so okay, let me write this negative of 1 first, okay? So this becomes negative of 1, negative of 2 cos c. Now taking negative of 2 cos c common, we are having cos a minus b minus cos c, okay? So now this becomes negative of 1, negative of 2 cos c cos a minus b minus cos pi minus a plus b, okay? Now a plus b plus c is equal to pi and c is equal to pi minus a plus b. Negative 1, negative 2 cos c cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. Now again what we have used? We have used here for this part again. Is it clear? Now this becomes -1 -2 cos C cos A minus B plus A plus B upon 2 cos A minus B upon 2. Now for this part, again we have used this formula. Is it clear? -1 -2 cos C with cos. Now A minus B plus A plus B. So 2A upon 2, that is cos A, and this becomes cos negative of B. Sorry, here it will be 2. Okay. So yes, sorry. So this becomes now 2 cos C, 2 cos A cos B. Okay. -1 -4 cos A cos B cos C is equal to right hand side. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence